You guys do see here, it's a free with any purchase. Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Labor Day tool deals. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers will platform my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. As you guys do see, we got the Labor Day savings. The ad is already out. We got a fire pit there for 79 bucks, was 115. You got a couple weed whackers. Not a whole lot of good deals on this ad, but I will get you guys some better deals throughout the store because I know you guys like power tools and tools in general. Alright, so $84.88 for this ladder. This is a pretty good deal. You get some dollars off from $99. This is the newer style. It does come with the bucket, some sort of accessory bucket. You guys can put your stuff in the power tools and all that. So $84.88 down from $99.97. It's actually really nice. It does have some platforms there, so when you guys step on these, you guys could be a little bit more comfortable instead of just, you know, if you guys are gonna be there for hours. So and then you guys could put your equipment there too. So and I look at the steps. They're wide. I really like the way they're wide. They got these $13.98. These 27-gallon totes, and then they got a rack there for $119. And then they got the drill driver set, impact driver set. They're advertising this one as $179. I'm pretty sure. I mean, it's good because you're getting HP batteries, you're getting HP tools, but you know, you got some grills here for $4.95. But you know, for that price, you might be able to get something better, maybe another name brand. $79.88 portable charcoal grill. They're for $139. So this is for a smaller apartment or for a small family, maybe of 3 or 4 at the most. And then you got this, it's height adjustable. It's a 52-inch work table, $2.99. It does have 2 drawers. It does have a nice lever there at the right, so you guys can adjust the height. And then you got the Ryobi link. I'm not gonna go through all these because you know, you guys, I'll see them just pretty much in every video. And sometimes they're even on clearance, so I don't know what they're doing with these. But yeah, that's the basket there, the milk crate that they call it. $34.97 for that. And then they got the accessories. They got the stud finder here for $29.97. Now that's one thing I haven't seen before, the stud finder there. So, and then we got the wall rails. That's what you actually screw onto the wall, and that's organized so you can put your power tools in those sections, and the chargers on top, and all kinds of accessories in there. Alright, so they got the 3-ton low profile jack, $149. That's actually not a bad deal. I do have these jack stands. These things are amazing. They're really nice. I really like the ratcheting part. Really nice stands. $44.97 for the small toolbox and $89 for the rolling from Ryobi link. And I will open it up for you guys so you guys would see what's inside. It does have a compartment there so you guys can put your accessories and bits. Same thing with this one. It's actually not a bad little deal here for these. But if you want quality, stick with the pack out. And if you're a professional, I mean, you might be able to get away with the link. But if you want something that's going to be outside in the elements and you want something to last, you can go with pack outs. Alright, so they got the new wall mountable storage system. That's it right there. It does have a lock. I did show you guys at the last video last weekend. I'll show you guys. Make sure you guys check out a video if you want to look at, you know, these in a little bit more in depth. However, I did look at some because on the other one they did not have all these, and this store they do. They have a lot more. These are $19.98. I really like this rack. This is the battery storage rack. That's something I'm really interested in because you want to organize, like this one. You can even put it on your like if you have a trailer, you know, with all your equipment. You know, if you guys do service, you know, mobile service. So you guys can pretty much put all the batteries organized. That's one thing I really like. You guys can keep track of all the ones that you have charged and all the ones that don't have charged. You know, obviously keep the ones here, the ones that are charged, fresh out of the charger, just to grab it and go basically. Then you got a pliers rack here. It says the stores pliers and hooks and all kinds of stuff. So that's pretty interesting what they're doing with this. $14.98 for the pack out plier rack. Looks interesting. I don't know how you would use it, but I guess that's the way it is. And this is the big plate. You guys can screw this into the walls, either your trailer or the, your garage or shop. This is a smaller one. A small plate here. This one's $19.98. It's a 10.3 inch. Example right there. And then you got the bigger one. This is a 30.75 inch from $39.98. Alright, you got the clearance patio events. 50% off. Up to 50% off. I'm not going to go through everything because there's a whole lot of stuff. Same thing with these grills, parts, and accessories. I'm not going to go through all of them, but there's a lot of parts here that are already discounted. Make sure you guys, if you guys are looking for something like this, make sure you guys check out your nearest store, your store near you, basically. All right, so you got the clearance section. Then we got a huge section here. We got another section we got to check out. We got a backpack blower. It's a 40-volt backpack blower, $229 down from $259. It's on clearance. All right, I don't know if it doesn't look like it's the kit. And then we got a chainsaw here, which was hard to look at because it was behind that. I had my hands full of stuff. So $149 for chainsaw, and you got another blower here for $129. That's the older style. And then they still got this for $404. That's a weed whacker and blower combo, flex bolts with the 9, I believe. Flexible kits. I'm still waiting for them to drop it. I don't think they're gonna drop it though. You got the Level Cut 3 resistant gloves, goat skin gloves, and then you got some more leather gloves over here for $11.97, and then you got some nicer ones for $26.47 to the right, extra large. So they still got a lot of gloves left here. And then they just got a fresh shipment in. I was just taking a quick look, see if there was any new tools or anything, but seems to be that one seems to be pretty beat up. So that one's going to a discount probably. They got the Toro there, and then they got some more mowers. They got this Ultimate Toro. All right, so they got these on sale, not on clearance, but they're on sale. You got Wild Supply Slash. It says Whirlpool. I'm just showing you guys the washers and dryers. So 7 foot down to 748, either or. That's the Labor Day savings. And then they got this, the top loaders. I prefer top loaders because I had better luck with top loaders than side loaders, basically. And those, they got the cheaper ones for $5.98 there, the white ones. So just depending on what you want to get for the house, or if you have a rental property, get the cheaper ones. All right, so they got these. These are some bits, Ryobi bits for $3.97 down from $6.47. Impact set for 20 piece. They got an impact driver for $59. If you guys weren't here last week, we got a kit like this for like 25 bucks. So they everything just flew out of the shelves in like a minute. You got drill driver. You got a circular saw for $99, 20 DeWalt, and that's the circular saw right there. It's a 6.5. All right, you got another 6.5 with a Diablo framing blade, $12.88. It's a 2-pack. It's not a bad little deal on that one. And then you got a all-day comfort, protection. You got multifunction neck, $14, and then you got a jigsaw and a router. These are Octane tools. They're getting rid of their Octanes, $99 down from $149. Same thing with that one. You got $99 for the starter kit. This is a 3 amp hour battery. Those are the new 21700 cells with the yellow tops. $99 down from $149. You got a wheel here. It's a cutoff, masonry cutoff, and then you got a Diablo grind hub, masonry grind, $540. And then you got another Diablo blade here for the circular saw. Got a sledgehammer, $24.97. Alright, you still got these for the right angle adapter. Remember guys, that right angle adapter, it's like $21 or $22. So this is a nice deal right there for 19 bucks. You got a wood and metal jigsaw blade set, $12.88. And then you got 9-volt batteries for $687, a twin pack. You got a Diablo Speed Demon 6-piece, $988. That's a nice set. You got some nice gloves here. Firm grip, $10, down from $19.97. That's actually not a bad little set there. And these were $199, guys. I did check with an associate, and they were $199. They got the no home here. So this is the older promo with the 2 impact sockets. So $14, down from $14.97. You got the fan here. It's an M12 fan. No price on that. You got the rigid circular saw, 6.5 magnesium compact frame for $49.97. It's a 12 amp. And then you got a framing nailer. Or actually not a framing nailer. It's an angle finish nailer. It's a 15. Got the pack out light and charger for $140. Did not see this, but so if you guys want to take a screenshot of that light or the pack out light tag and try to price match it, you got the gloves there. You got the ladder, guys. Remember we got the ladder last year for around $100 and something. Well, they got a new one already out. So these are the new ones with the yellow tops, basically. 375, 19 feet multi-reach aluminum multi-purpose ladder. Then they got this one, 53 down from 69. It's a 3-step steel stool ladder. So I never seen one of these before. And this is the one that's on sale for $84. So that's pretty nice how they're, putting that bucket, accessory bucket. So $119 for a rotary toolkit, and then you got the accessory there on the top. All right, so they got the deals here. These are these are really good deals. These are hackable. So if you buy any of the ones on the top, you get the corresponding battery for free. You got the lower tier, mid tier here, and then you got the higher tier to the left. Definitely the middle and the higher tier are the ones to get the better tools. You got the angle grinder, you got the pack out lights, you got that 2-tool combo kit for $2.99. You got the vacuum for $1.99. Circular saw, the super saw, and the SDS rotary hammer for $3.29. And that 6-tool combo kit for $4.99. You get yourself that 6 amp hour high output battery. The top tier, middle tier, and then you got the bottom tier there. A few batteries left on that. And I'm not going to go over all of them because we already went over in the past video. So if you guys want to check them out, make sure you guys check out the other videos. This one, they sold out of that one. And then I never seen this this hammer style or that handle style before from Makita. It's the first time I see that handle. I don't know if this is a newer tool or what's going on. Let me know that in the comment section. I don't know if this is I never seen this tool before. Because I know Bosch has a similar handle like that. And I will, I'll show you guys tomorrow. I will do the Lowe's, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the Lowe's, shopping at Lowe's for the Labor Day deals. We got some awesome deals coming up. But yeah, I did see on Bosch that they have a similar handle. They got this is a 12-volt circular saw for $59 from $89. And that's it right there. So you guys want to look at it, it's a 3 3/8. And then they got the starter kit for $99. Or the saw, reciprocating saw. They got the 2-piece combo kit for $99. They got the lights, DeWalt lights. $84 from $119. And they got the vacuum here, $132 down from $139. It's a 4.5 gallon Pro vacuum. Alright, so this is the new DeWalt. Yeah, it's not the new, it's the newer DeWalt. It is the DCD 850. I do have multiple videos versus videos with other DeWalts and other brands. So make sure you guys do check them out on my channel. So just put DCF 850 and you'll see Toolhead 147, all the videos that I have. Very interesting what they try to do with this tool. This is an atomic. I believe the kit is $189 down from $229 there at the bottom. So you guys want to check that one out. And then they got this This is weird. I never seen this tool before, or at least in person. But this is like a cutoff tool. It's 179 XR brushless. Alright, so they got the Ryobi free battery deals. So on the ones on the right, that's just the price for those. You don't get any batteries with that. The ones on the left, you get the track saw, you get the miter saw, you get the table saw, and you get yourself a free 4 amp hour battery. That's a high performance battery you're getting. So for $3.99, if you guys want to hack it, you guys are going to get that $3.99 tool cheaper. Returning that battery and keeping the tool at a discounted price, that will be the hack. So that is the tool, the battery you guys are going to get for free if you buy that tool. So valued at $119. That is the track saw. It's a brand new track saw. Brushless. It is the kit. Does include a battery and a charger. And that's $3.99. And then at the bottom you got the miter saw stand for $179. It doesn't have any wheels. Just keep that in mind. You got the circular saw, or the table saw, and then you got the miter saw here. It is a slider for $3.99. And they got these titanium drill bits. It was in the same section, so I just threw it in there. So $19.97 for this one. Guys, you guys do see here, it's a free with any purchase of the select M12 starter kit. So that, I don't know if this is going to be the new deals. So you're going to get a free tool with the purchase of any select M12 starter kit. Nice, guys. So these deals are starting to drop by. They don't have any big advertisement about this deal. But if you guys checked out my previous video, it was like 2 videos ago, I did have, you know, what this is going to be looking. But this is going to be one of the tools that you guys are be able to buy. Get for free with that. So definitely make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed, so you guys won't miss any of those deals. Because I will be, as soon as they drop in the stores, I will be making a video for you guys, so you guys won't miss any of those deals. Those are going to be killer M12 deals. You know, buying that starter kit. I believe the first one's $199. I don't know if exactly it's $199. And there's going to be 2 tiers. There's going to be a top tier and a bottom tier. Obviously, the top tier is going to have the most expensive free tools, and the bottom tier is going to have the lower, the lower end tools. But there's going to be some nice ones there. There's going to be some nice lights. So definitely check it out, guys. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here because this video is already too long. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hit the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.